Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I did a tutorial using the new Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This was the first time that I used it. I forgot to film an intro and kind of sucked on my outro. Didn't really tell you my thoughts on anything. So everything will be listed down in the description, as well as what I think of the products. I did use a couple other products that were new to me as well. So yeah, when I sat down to edit this video, I realized that I didn't film an intro. So here I am. I look completely different than I do in the video. So this isn't the look that I filmed. But just keep watching and you'll see which look I came up with. It was really easy and simple, and I love doing those kinds of looks. It's actually sort of what I did today, but just with different colors. If you're new, hello, my name is Liz. I've been gone for a while, but I'm back and I'm so excited to be filming videos for you guys again. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like tutorials. And if you want to see the makeup look that I created with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, then just keep watching. Alright, can I just say how weird it is to be filming again? I didn't think that I was going to film for quite some time if I ever was going to start again, but here I am. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Hopefully it turns out okay, seeing as how I haven't filmed myself doing makeup in a really long time. So don't judge me too harshly. It's probably going to take me a while to get back in the swing of things. So with that, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I've already primed my face. I used the Becca First Light priming filter. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids using the NARS cream concealer in Vanilla. I'm just going to take that on my Morphe sponge. You'll have to forgive me while I'm trying to get back into the swing of things with lighting and sound and all that stuff. And let's just all ignore the stress going on my face. And to set that, I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Ultra HD finishing powder, and I'm just using a Morphe E53. Okay, so I am just going to jump right on into the palette. I'm sure this is just about everywhere right now. I just got this in the mail a couple of days ago. I haven't used it yet. So here it is. The packaging is just like the Modern Renaissance palette, just like the Prism. I was really drawn to this when I saw it. I sat up in bed telling my husband over and over again how pretty it was and how much I wanted it. So I caved and I bought it, and I'm really happy that I did because these shades are everything that I absolutely love. You can do something really simple and soft with it, but then it also has those dark tones. So today I think I'm just going to do something really simple and easy, something that is just kind of more of a go-to look for me that I've been doing a lot recently. I'm going to start with a burnt orange, taking that on a Morphe M433, and I'm just going to start at the base of my lid, right next to my eyelashes, and then work my way up. And then I'm just working it into my crease as well, just to kind of create a gradient effect. This part of my eyelid is going to be darker than the rest. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take Sienna, and I am going to mix that with a bit of Rustic. And I'm taking this on a Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to go right next to my lash line. And I'm going to blend it up, but I'm not going to blend it into my crease like I did with the first color. Taking a little bit of orange soda on a Morphe M535, and I'm just going to blend out these top edges a little bit. And then on a very small precision brush, I'm taking a Morphe E36, and I'm going to take this gorgeous mulberry shade, and I'm going to put that right as close to my lashes as I can get it. And then I'm going to take a Morphe E18, and I'm going to use this just to kind of blend out the mulberry shade. Alright, and then on this random angled detailer brush that I have, I am going to take some Cypress Umber, and I'm going to kind of use this almost as an eyeliner. And I'm just going to stamp it as close to my lash line as I can get it. Alright, so I'm going to move on to my face before I finish the rest of my eye makeup. So I'm going to take the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation by Too Faced. I haven't tried this yet, and hopefully it matches my face. But I've heard great things, so I wanted to give it a shot. So I'm just going to squirt some on the back of my hand. And the other thing lately is I haven't been liking to do a whole lot of foundation. I just kind of use it lightly. It's very yellow. It's kind of clinging onto some of my dry spots. I'm not totally sure how much I like that. I feel like it's like pretty yellow. I might need to mix it in with a more cool tone foundation and try it then. I don't know, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Chantilly. And again, I'm not going to do a whole lot. I just haven't been doing a whole lot of foundation. Then I'm going to take that same finishing powder by Makeup Forever, and I'm just going to set my face. I'm not going to put this everywhere because I am dry and I don't want it to look like I have a dry face. I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm going to take that on this Real Techniques blush brush. And then I'm going to take this Lorac blush in the shade Tinge, and I'm going to use a Morphe E4. Then for highlight, this is the Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean highlight and blush palette. I'm going to mix these two shades right here, and I'm going to use this Ipsy B36 tapered highlight brush. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my eye makeup. So I'm just going to take this shade Rustic, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line with it. Just something easy and simple. And for my inner corners, I'm going to hop back into the Pirates Caribbean palette, and I'm going to take this first shade right here. I know I'm doing things in such a weird order, but I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. This is Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this shade right here, and this is on the Brow Gal brush as well. To set it, I'm going to use this Cella, I think it's what it's called. This eyebrow defining gel. I think I got it in an Ipsy bag. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Before I put on mascara, I am going to set my face. It's just something that I've been liking to do before I put my mascara on. Then I don't have to worry about my mascara getting onto my eyes. So I'm just going to take the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I'm going to take this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is just a little sample one, but this is by far my favorite mascara. I just need to go purchase a new one. And then I am going to take a little bit of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick. This is in Beach Babe. I'm just going to kind of dab this on a little bit just to give a little bit of color. And then I'm going to throw a little bit of this Buxom White Russian Gloss on top. Alright, I'm just going to finish getting ready and I will be right back. Alright, and here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry if it needs a little bit of work. Thank you guys again for watching, and thanks again for everybody who has continued to support me. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.